Our business thrives on happy customers, so when they write to tell us we did a good job, we love to share their feedback so they know we appreciate their words. We work very hard to satisfy our customers, so when we receive a 5-star review like this one, it helps everyone know how hard we're trying to serve you and our local marketplace. We like to show the customer and the world that we appreciate what they say about us. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.